Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and my shirt's kind of a wonky mess because I was putting on my backpack. But anyway, I'm in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, and this is just like an Old Town street. I'm going to walk to the theater and then hit Old Town. So let's just walk to Old Town together. I got nobody else to walk with, so you're going to walk with me. Is that a deal? Let's do it. Give me your hand. Here we go. So this is where we're going to go. So this isn't technically Old Town, I don't think. Old Town's over to the right, more near the theater. But I think this will get us close. At least you get to see more of Plovdiv and the city itself. Which, by the way, I think absolutely rocks. Look, more coffee machines. And they have them everywhere. I mean, they're literally all over the place. If you want a coffee, you don't have to look very far in Plovdiv, or in Bulgaria, actually. I even saw, like they had a machine like that coffee machine, but it served like sandwiches and hamburgers and all sorts of strange stuff. I thought that was pretty funny too. And there was a line, so it couldn't have been too bad. Well, it could have been really bad, but really cheap. It's certainly a cute little town, city. And it's not too small, but it's not crazy over the top big either. That's, I think, the point of what I'm trying to say. Yeah, Eric, whatever. That's an old, nice blue building. Wouldn't you love to buy one of these old buildings and renovate it? That's a very cool street. Pay attention, Eric. We don't want to get ran over. So where are you dragging us to, Eric? This is where I'm dragging us to. See where it says Ancient Theater? So we're going to go up here and go around. But it's the side street that makes a difference. I don't think I'd want that bed. Morning. Villa Flava Boutique Hotel. And that's a cool building. Yeah, I know if I win the lottery, I'm going to come and pick some place. And renovate one of these old buildings just to make it amazing, you know what I mean? But I'm probably not going to win the lottery, so. And look at the little side streets. They're just really cute. Huh, okay, we'll keep walking. Oh look, there's the mosque again. You know what? Let's go to the mosque and see if it's open. I haven't done inside the mosque yet, so we'll go there. And there's that church on the hill. I'll go do that too. Boy, that's amazing. You know, on some of these roofs or the ceilings, you know, they're probably 20 feet tall. I mean, that looks like an easy 15, 18 feet tall. You know, in America, if you get 12 feet, you're like a millionaire. Very cool. That's why my houses, they're only 8 feet. Because I ain't no millionaire. Meow. 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 Oh, what a pretty little park, too. Let's walk through the park then. And it's right next to the mosque. You guys tell me if these little sidewalks are silly. I got no idea what that says. Look at all the people sitting here. That's cool too. What a gorgeous little park. Oh, I know where I'm at. I'm at that the top of the Colosseum. Very cool. Okay, well, this was just a little tiny walk, so no harm, no foul. So Old Town is that way. Museum Center, Sara Simona Garden, Kapana, Art Gallery, Archaeological Museum, Exposition of Unification of Bulgaria, Natural History Museum. You know, I'm really big on museums. Very cool. Amazing. Bye, everybody.